Hey guys, Moshe is here, the electric Israeli from the living room. It's dark outside, I couldn't go to the car. Anyway, just post out a video for you about the unveiling of the Tesla Model Y, which is going to be in Los Angeles on March 14th. Here's another update. Elon Musk just tweeted, I'm looking at it right now. The Tesla Model Y will be 10% bigger than the Model 3, and it will cost 10% more. And it will have slightly less range with the same size battery. So the rumor mills are going crazy, and some say it's going to be a base price of $40,000, all-wheel drive, no rear-wheel drive at all. It will be standard. Talking about maybe if they're going to do the 60 kilowatt hour battery, that would be only 200 miles range for the base model, or if it's bigger battery like the 75 kilowatt, that will be around, I would say, 280 or so miles, 270 to 80. Autopilot hardware 3.5, and it will have also the latest, the L4 full self-driving ready at launch. I'm trying to see what else. Yes, level 4 full self-driving. Those are all rumors, so I'm not sure. They're coming from all kinds of sources that I'm trying to see if they are reliable. But this is the update. So it looks like a base price of $40,000 and up, all-wheel drive standard, and 10% bigger than the Model 3 and 10% more expensive. That's according to Elon Musk, so that's for sure, it's true. And they're going to share, Tesla Model 3 and Tesla Model Y are going to share about 75% of their component, so that's good. Projection mass production will be probably next year, maybe towards the end of this year. And I think reservation and interest in this car will be, in my opinion, twice as much as as Model 3. This is the kind of car that Americans love. So I will keep update you. Okay, if you have anything that you find out, please put it in your comment. It's very, very important that we share some information. Okay, guys, I'll see you later. I feel like I'm going to see you later. Bye.